Hey everyone! Welcome back to Flare Study. In today's video, I'm going to share the complete T1 syllabus with you all. This syllabus includes 16 modules, and it's important to understand what each one covers. I'll give you a quick overview so you know what to focus on during your preparation. Make sure to stay connected with Flare Study because I'll also be sharing learning resources and topic-wise videos very soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content.